Day 21, 1981 CB750. Spent about 6.5 hours by myself today. Went well. Got the header on. Got the carbs on. Put the little temp tank on it, and unfortunately 2 of the floats wouldn't seat, and I had to order new floats. These are the plastic floats. I should have known better. You can't adjust the float height like the old school with the metal, tabs. So I had to order new floats. No big deal. Just puts us a little behind. It ran good. No issues. Idled good. It's just a couple floats won't see. Finished the wiring today, and got the headlight in, got the tack in, and it's pretty. It's getting really close. So I'll give you a quick little look. So there's a Mac 4-in-1 canister style. I just put some tape over the carbs just to keep debris out. There's a little overhead look. The gauges, basically the controls, everything really. Boy, those white gauges, I had no idea. It looks awesome. I'm still gonna have to order a new one of these. I don't like that the controller here's chipped out, but it works great. Like, everything's perfect on it. It's just that cosmetic piece, but still, it's got to be fixed. Headlight is on. I tried to work the front brakes a little bit. We were sent the wrong front pads, so I couldn't do the front brakes, but she's looking good. Getting mighty close. The old, this is a cart where we kind of got, parts that are left, and there's really not much. I got to get rid of this chrome. Got to get some new pads, kickstand, and then obviously we got side covers, tailpiece, and the tank up here. Gonna have to hit those with 180 really well before we shoot them with the pewter. Not sure if you can make the color out there. We're going with the pewter, and then gonna do a black stripe in line with the contours of the tank there. A black stripe that comes down. Probably gonna bring that on down through the tail cowl. I call it tailpiece all the time. I guess technically it's a cowl. And then we got some killer badges for the side covers. Oh my gosh. I went with, here, let me just pull them out real quick. Went with an older style side cover badge. And they look amazing on the side cover as far as the fit and everything. It's going to be killer for sure. So that's it. 6.5 hours. A little lengthy on the video today. I apologize for that. But header, carbs, 2 floats sticking, tack, all the wiring's done, headlights on, throttle cable's dialed in. Unfortunately, I gotta come back off. But yeah, that's the way it goes.